In this video, we will tell you about celery juice, how it affects blood circulation, cholesterol levels, blood pressure, bones and joints, immunity, digestion, liver and biliary tract, kidneys, weight control, cancer development, sleep, skin, hair, and much more. We'll also cover contraindications to celery juice consumption, give tips on how to maximize the benefits, and indicate a safe daily allowance for adults and children. We will answer an interesting question: who lives longer, those who love celery juice or those who ignore it? This video will be extremely informative and helpful. So, if you want to become the master of your health, click like and let's get started. The history of celery juice has some pretty interesting roots. Celery juice has been around since antiquity, but its popularity in the United States has grown in recent decades. Thanks to the influence of healthy lifestyles and attention to nutrition, it caught the attention of alternative medicine and raw food advocates, and then became widespread due to health trends and promotional activity. Thus, celery juice has become a popular remedy for maintaining health and cleansing the body not only in the United States, but also all over the world. Celery juice is one of the healthiest drinks, but what happens if you consume it every day for a week? Can it actually transform your appearance and improve the functioning of your body? Let's find out all the answers. Number 1. Your liver will work properly. The health of your body depends a lot on how your liver works, so it's important to keep it under control. And you can do this with the help of celery juice. This natural drink is high in vitamins and elements like iron, making celery a great natural tonic for your liver. In addition, celery has alkalizing and moisturizing properties that reduce fat accumulation in the liver, improving liver function. Science confirms that celery can protect your liver too. A University of Colorado study found that celery contains a natural antioxidant called pyrroloquinoline 1, or PQQ, which may protect your body from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So whether you have liver problems or not, extra protection in the form of a little celery juice won't hurt you. Number 2. Your bones will become stronger. Most of us are completely negligent about the health of our bones, which can lead to a lot of unpleasant consequences. So, if you want to make sure that they are getting all the vitamins they need, celery juice is exactly what you need. It's full of essential nutrients that your bones are sure to love, including calcium and silicon, which repair and strengthen damaged bones, as well as vitamin K, which promotes metabolism in the bones and protects against osteoporosis. So yes, one glass of fresh celery juice can easily take care of your skeletal system. Number 3. Cholesterol levels will go down. There are not many natural ways to keep your cholesterol levels normal, but drinking celery juice is definitely one of them. First, it's high in fiber, which is known to take excess cholesterol compounds and push them out. Second, according to a study conducted by the University of Chicago, celery juice contains the chemical phthalate, which can lower bad LDL cholesterol by 7%. And all you have to do to achieve this amazing effect is to juice 2 stalks of celery. No wonder celery juice is often referred to as the master beverage. Number 4. Improved blood circulation. When it comes to healthy blood, celery juice is one of the best drinks that should always be on your menu. It contains a compound called coumarin, which increases the activity of white blood cells and, as a result, improves blood flow, stabilizes blood pressure, and even purifies the blood. In addition, vitamins A and C help fight diseases such as rheumatism and arthritis, while iron and magnesium restore red blood cells and protect against anemia. And you can get all of this by drinking 1 glass of celery juice a day. Pure magic! Number 5. Your body will be protected from cancer. Cancer is a word that everyone dreads to hear, but how can you protect your body from this dreaded disease? Celery juice can come in handy here as well, all thanks to one of its amazing components, apigenin. It is proven that this little champion fights cancer at all stages of its development. Take angiogenesis, for example, or the growth of new blood vessels that contribute to the development of tumors. Apigenin essentially suppresses this process, taking away all the blood, oxygen, and nutrients that cancer so desperately needs for its development. A study published in the journal Carcinogenesis found that apigenin also prevents cancer from invading and destroying healthy tissue. Another study published in the Journal of Cancer Protection confirmed the anti-cancer properties of celery, stating that the flavonoids it contains can inhibit the progression of prostate cancer and slow the proliferation of cancer cells. And that's another reason to make celery juice part of your diet. Number 6. Have a healthy sleep pattern. Unfortunately, insomnia is a problem that many people have to deal with on a daily basis. If you suffer from it and nothing helps you, it is time to drink some celery juice. It contains a healthy dose of magnesium, which calms your nerves and relaxes your muscles, making you fall asleep almost instantly. If 1 cup of celery juice in the morning isn't enough for you, you can always drink another cup in the evening to help your body relax and fall asleep. To double the effect, mix it with a little warm milk or raw honey and enjoy a sweet sleep. Number 7. You will forget about anxiety and depression. Of course, physical health is very important, but you shouldn't forget about mental health as well. The 2 most common problems here are anxiety and depression. Luckily, celery juice has all the vitamins and minerals you need to help you forget about them once and for all. Celery contains a number of mineral salts that have a positive effect on the nervous system, relaxing and uplifting. This is why celery juice can be very effective in fighting anxiety, depression, stress, hypertension, and even panic attacks. So if you are on your way to getting rid of anxiety and need a little help, consider adding celery juice to your menu. Number 8. Your hair will become thick and smooth. There are many remedies that can make your hair lush, but none of them compare to celery juice. This drink works in several ways at once to make your hair gorgeous. For the first few days, the high amount of water in celery juice moisturizes your scalp and fights dandruff. Vitamin A serves as an additional nourishment for the hair roots, making them stronger. Other vitamins and minerals provoke hair growth and improve hair structure. Not bad for 1 cup of celery juice a day, right? Number 9. You will have clear and glowing skin. No matter how many creams and scrubs you have, if you don't take care of your skin from the inside, it won't be beautiful on the outside. Fortunately, drinking celery juice on a regular basis can greatly improve your appearance. It has a lot of water, which means it will moisturize your skin throughout the day. It contains calcium, potassium, and selenium, which make your skin smooth and glowing. Finally, it is full of antioxidants that flush out all the toxins from your body, clearing your skin from acne. Moreover, celery juice is ideal for fighting wrinkles, as it is full of vitamins A, B, C, and K and other minerals that promote collagen production, making your skin look young and beautiful. Thus, celery juice is a real must-have for gorgeous skin. Number 10. You will lose weight. Drinking celery juice in the morning on an empty stomach is a real treat for your digestive system. It wakes it up, is low in calories, and yet very nourishing. As a result, you don't feel the need to snack every hour or so, which reduces your daily calorie intake and helps you shed extra pounds. But this is not the only thing that regular consumption of celery juice can do for you. It is also extremely beneficial in fighting stomach inflammation. A study conducted by Taiwanese experts in 2013 found that the apigenin in celery acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, helping your body heal inflammation almost instantly. So, if you're looking for an all-natural way to lose weight, celery juice is at your service. Here's what you'll get if you drink celery juice every day. Impressive, isn't it? Just don't forget to prepare the juice properly to retain all the natural benefits. We'll talk about that very soon. And now, pay attention. What are the possible harms and contraindications of celery juice? While celery juice has a number of potential health benefits, there are some possible harmful effects and contraindications to consider. 1. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to celery. Therefore, an allergy test is recommended before starting to consume celery juice. 2. Drug interactions. Celery juice may interact with some medications, especially those that affect kidney function or have diuretic effects. It is best to consult your doctor before starting celery juice if you are taking any medications. 3. Risk for people with certain medical conditions. People with kidney disease or kidney health problems are advised to limit their consumption of celery due to its high oxalate content, which can aggravate these conditions. 4. Risk for pregnant and lactating women. Although celery is generally considered safe for consumption, pregnant and lactating women should consume it in moderation to avoid possible adverse effects. In general, celery juice is considered safe to consume in reasonable amounts for most people, but people with certain diseases or health conditions are advised to consult a doctor before consuming it. Next question. What are the recommended intake rates for celery juice for children, teens, and adults? Here are more specific recommendations by age group. For children under 12 years of age, it is recommended to consume celery juice in moderation, starting with small servings, such as 1 or 2 ounces, 30 to 60 milliliters per day, and gradually increasing the amounts according to the child's response. For adolescents between the ages of 12 and 18, adolescents can consume more celery juice, typically 4 to 8 ounces, 120 to 240 milliliters per day. However, attention should be paid to individual needs and body response. For adults over 18 years of age, it is recommended to consume half to a whole stalk of celery in juice form daily, which is about 8 to 16 ounces, 240 to 480 milliliters per day. This can be one serving in the morning, on an empty stomach, or throughout the day. It is always important to remember that these recommendations are subject to change depending on your overall health, individual needs, and your body's response to drinking celery juice. Therefore, in case of doubts or questions, it is better to consult your doctor or nutritionist. Next question. How do I get the maximum health benefits from drinking celery juice? To get maximum health benefits from drinking celery juice, it is recommended to follow the following guidelines. 1. Consume celery juice in the morning on an empty stomach. The best time to consume celery juice is in the morning, on an empty stomach, at least 15 or 30 minutes before a meal. This helps to maximize the nutrients from the juice and helps to cleanse the body. 2. Use fresh celery stalks. Use only fresh stalks of the plant to make celery juice. Avoid using stalks that look wilted or show signs of spoilage. 3. Drink celery juice immediately after preparation. Celery juice is best consumed immediately after preparation to retain the maximum amount of nutrients and enzymes. 4. Moderation. Do not consume celery juice in excess. Moderate consumption will help avoid possible side effects and keep your body balanced. 5. Variety in the diet. Celery juice should be included in a varied and balanced diet. Do not rely on celery juice alone as your only source of nutrition, but supplement it with other nutritious foods. 6. Observe individual needs. Consider your individual needs and your body's response to drinking celery juice. If you have any medical conditions or health problems, consult your doctor before beginning regular consumption of celery juice. By following these tips, you will be able to maximize the health benefits of drinking celery juice. And to answer the last question, who lives longer, those who love celery juice or those who ignore it? The question of whether drinking celery juice affects longevity does not have a clear answer. However, including celery juice in a varied and balanced diet may be a factor in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and well-being. Do you know of other foods that can provide the same benefits to your body in just 7 days? Tell us about it in the comments. More information on this topic can be found at the links in the description below this video and on our channel. Subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please like and share this video with your friends. Thanks to our sponsors for their support. I eagerly await your comments and encourage you to watch these useful videos.